Hi, my name is Sabrina. I'm a mom of 4, so I get the mayhem of modern life. I created Salt by Sabrina to help empower people to live life organized. Salt by Sabrina organizers are crafted from premium acrylic and are custom made to fit perfectly in your drawers and cabinets, allowing you to maximize your existing storage space. When our drawers are organized, it feels like our lives are organized. Salt by Sabrina custom organizers can help create up to 40% more space in your home. And who doesn't want a little extra space? The very first step of organization is choosing a room. Assess the space and choose a drawer or cabinet to get started with. For a drawer, the next step is to measure the length, the width, and the height. This creates the custom fit that will change the way you feel about your drawers. Make sure to measure the inside of the drawer and round down to the nearest ½ inch. If the measurement is exactly on the inch or ½ inch, always round down. When measuring for a spice rack, all you need to measure is the width of the cabinet. Remember to round down to the nearest ½ inch measurement. Next, you'll want to determine which of the Salt by Sabrina organizer templates is best for your needs. A user-friendly website, complete with photos and easy-to-follow descriptions, will help you choose which templates make the most sense for your life. That's it. It's that simple. Now just repeat the process for your other drawers and cabinets. Our intuitive online ordering system was designed to make the Salt by Sabrina purchase process as simple as possible. And should you have any questions along the way, our US-based customer care team is always available. I can't wait for you to feel the peace and confidence that come from organization. I wish you all peace, love, organization, and happiness.